Good evening, friends. Happy Friday to all of you. Here's your daily news report and fourth stimulus check update. The federal government is providing a credit of up to $9,600 to all eligible Americans. There are also surprise checks that will be going out before New Year's Day. Please, friends, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and stay tuned until the end of this video to learn how to enter today's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway.
I think you'll see it change sooner than quicker than more rapidly than it will take than most people think. Every other aspect of the economy is racing ahead. It's doing incredibly well. We've never had this kind of growth in 60 years. But inflation is affecting people's lives. But if you take a look at it, if and when, God willing, we get the Build Back Better proposal, if you look at what's inflation all about for people, they're paying more for things they need than they had to pay before. That's the bottom line. Now, if they're paying considerably less for childcare, considerably less for health care, considerably less for insulin, considerably less, and go down the list of being able to take care of their parent, all the things that are in the Build Back Better plan. The reason why economists think it's going to, in fact, diminish the impact on inflation is because it's reducing costs for ordinary people. So I think but in the meantime, in order to get that up and running, and we don't have a single Republican willing to support it yet, in order to get that up and running, it's going to be focused all on the downside. The downside is prices have gone up because of supply chain concerns. We've worked as hard on the supply chain concerns. I think you've already begun to see, and you're going to see over the next couple months, oil prices, prices of gas pump come down. You know, the biggest, a third of the increase in inflation is used automobiles. So, I mean, it is a real problem. But the point is that has to do with supply chain as well. But it also has to do with the fact that not everybody's looking for a used automobile, but those who are, they're paying higher prices because there's fewer of them because of COVID and what was sold out and the like. So I think it's a real bump in the road. It does affect families. When you walk in the grocery store and you're paying more for whatever you're purchasing, it matters. It matters to people. When you're paying more for gas, although in some states we've got the price down below $3 a gallon, but the point is, it's not gone down quickly enough. But I think it will.
A temporary expansion of a tax credit aimed at workers with low to moderate pay could be extended for another year, and that is if the Build Back Better bill is passed. That would be a great win for people without children. The American Rescue Plan Act, passed by Congress earlier this year, allowed more childless workers to get the earned income tax credit. The legislation raised the income limits for adults to qualify and permitted workers ages 19 to 24 and those 65 and up to be eligible in the 2021 tax year. Many of the workers who will benefit will be those who have been in the essential jobs, like cashiers or home health aides. Unlike the enhanced child tax credit, where families have received advanced monthly payments since June, any money due back to workers from the earned income tax credit will be included when they file their tax returns next spring. Those who are eligible could see bigger tax returns next year, and that is due to the fact that the size of the credit was also temporarily increased. According to government officials, the maximum credit was nearly tripled to $1,500, which is a significant amount of money. In addition, economists are also advocating for certain changes that would help ensure childless workers would also benefit from the credit. Those changes include lowering the eligibility age for the credit to 18, increasing the maximum income levels for childless workers, and increasing the maximum benefit for childless adults. So in addition, according to the Department of Labor website, the Work Opportunity Tax Credit is a federal tax credit available to employers who invest in American job seekers and who have consistently faced barriers to employment. Employers may meet their business needs and claim a tax credit if they hire an individual who is in a Work Opportunity Tax Credit targeted group. The credit amount can be $9,600 for each qualified new hire. Depending on the new hire's target group, The credit amount can be up to $9,600 for each qualified new hire. The credit is equal to a percentage of the eligible employee's wages, and the employee must work at least 120 hours for the employer to receive credit. Veterans receive the highest amount, while other targeted groups receive less. Now, surprise plus-up payments of $1,400 checks will be sent out before New Year's. Plus-up payments are extra stimulus checks sent out to those who receive a stimulus check based on their 2019 tax return. Plus-up payments are extra stimulus checks sent out to those who received a stimulus check based on their 2019 tax return or information obtained from the Social Security Administration. The Internal Revenue Service automatically sent a third payment to people who did not file a return but received Social Security retirement, survivor or disability benefits, railroad retirement benefits, supplemental security income, or Veterans Affairs benefits. Some taxpayers whose income was lower in 2020 than in 2019 are eligible for the plus-up payment. The same goes for anyone who claimed an elderly or disabled dependent on their taxes in 2020. This includes elder or disabled relatives or college students who are under the care of individuals. The latest round of IRS stimulus checks will end on December 31st, 2021. No action is needed for eligible recipients to receive their payments. The Internal Revenue Service will be able to evaluate whether you are eligible or not once a taxpayer has submitted a 2020 tax return. Friends, the keyword for this video is fireplace. If you would like to enter today's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please make sure you click and like my videos. And make sure you comment below the keyword for each video that you watch. And please also make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Joe Biden's American Rescue Plan gave the Internal Revenue Service until December 31st to make payments, meaning that you have until the end of the year to submit your 2020 tax return to qualify. So those who are eligible to receive a plus-up payment should be able to track its status by using the IRS Get My Payment tool. About 500,000 plus-up payments have been made via direct deposit, while the rest were via checks. So friends, do you think that all Americans should be receiving a surprise stimulus payment? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me here this Friday evening. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos every day. To say thank you, I'm giving away Walmart gift cards every Friday. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is comment below the keyword from each video, like this video, and also please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends, and have a very, very blessed Friday.